Hello students, open your textbook page number 219. So today we are going to study the next point of chapter number 5, human body. The point is joints. Point is joint. Okay. A joint is a place where two bones are linked together. Joint is a place where two bones are linked together. Joint मतलब क्या है? वहाँ पे दो bones linked होते हैं. Joints can be broadly classified into two types, immovable joints and the movable joints. The joints also have two parts, immovable joints and the movable joints. Okay, so student, our shoulder and our hand, they're having one joint. Okay, so this is called joint. Immovable means that cannot be moved, and movable means that can be, joints can be moved. So first see about, let us see immovable joint. The joints that do not allow any movement of bones are called immovable joint. The bone of the skull have immovable joint. The bone of the skull have, so this is the example of immovable joints. The joints that do not allow any movement of bones are called immovable joint. The bones of the skull have immovable joints. Next is the movable joints. The joints that allow flexible movement of the bones are called movable joints. Movable joints are of four types: pivot joint, ball and socket joints, hinge joints, and the gliding joints. So student, what is meant by movable joints? The joints that allow flexible movement. Flexible means easily movement of the bones are called movable joints. Means the joints of the bones, they can easily move, are called movable joints. So movable joints also again classified into four types. First is the pivot joints, second is the ball and socket joint, third is the hinge joint, and the last is the gliding joints. So let's see pivot joint. See the pivot joints, it is found between the skull and the top vertebra. Okay, this is the vertebra and this is the skull. That is in the neck region. It is in a, see, this is the part of our neck. It is allow us to move our head up, down and sideways. So because of these joint, we can easily move our head up, down and sideways on both left and right side. So this joint is called pivot joint. Okay, this joint is called pivot joint and it is found in between the skull and the top vertebra. See, this is the top vertebra. See, this joint is called pivot joint. Second is ball and socket joint. See, ball and see, ball, this is a ball and socket joint. These are found in the shoulders. So this joint is found in the shoulder. So if you touch your shoulder, you also get there having the ball like round structure. So that this is called a ball and socket joint. These are found in the shoulders and the hip. They allow twisting and turning movements at the hip and the swinging movement of our arms. Correct? So because of these ball and socket joints, we can easily move our hand and we can easily move our or swinging our arms or legs. Okay. Third is hinge joints, elbow and knee. These are found in the knee, elbow, fingers and the toes. So these hinge joints are, see, hinge means two bones are joined together. See, 1 and 2 bones are joined together. These are found in the knee, elbow, finger and the toes. Like the hinge of a door, like a hinge of a door. The hinge joints allow movement in only two directions, forward and backward. Correct now? So because of these joint, we can easily move our legs forward and backward. तो हम easily हमारा जो leg है इस joint से आगे पीछे घुमा सकते हैं. Okay. So and finger also. See here having this hinge joint, and because of this joint, hinge joints, we can easily move our finger forward and backward. Okay. So So these joints are found in the knee, elbow, finger and the toes. Last is the gliding joints. Gliding joints, these are found in the wrist and the ankle. These are ankle and the wrist. These gliding joints are found in the wrist and the ankle. They allow flat bones to slide over each other. See, these are the flat bones and they are slide over each other. Slide over each other. Okay. So student, these are the different types of the movable joint. Okay. So today we have learned about immovable joint and the movable joint. So immovable joint is found in the bone of skull, and movable joint is called the joint that allow flexible movement of the bones are called movable joint. And again, movable joint have 4 types. First is the pivot joint, ball and socket joint, hinge joint, and the gliding joints. Okay, so student, you have to draw this diagram in your notebook. Let's see. Choose the correct answer. The eyes and nose are protected by dash bones. Which bones? Facial bones. The upper arm has a long bone called humerus. The hip girdle is also called the dash girdle. Is also called the pelvic girdle. The joint found in our shoulder is the ball and socket joint. Okay, so all these in your textbook and read the topic again and complete your homework. Thank you, student.